Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Gather materials before you begin to save time and avoid interruptions. Use 50 grams white polymer clay and 20 grams black polymer clay. Add about 5 grams pink clay for cheeks and 2 grams translucent for gloss if desired. Prepare one 20-gauge eye pin and a 5mm ball tool for eyes. Use a sharp blade, needle tool, rubber tip shaper, and sanding paper. Condition clay by kneading until soft and pliable before shaping any components. Start by forming the panda body with a 25-gram white clay ball. Smooth the ball and slightly elongate it for a squat teardrop body shape. Roll a 12-gram white clay ball for the head and attach with gentle pressure. Make 2 6-gram ear halves from black clay and press them onto the head. Create 2 4-gram front paws and 2 5-gram back paws, then attach them under the body. Use a 5mm ball tool to indent eye sockets gently. Insert a 20-gauge eye pin through the head from top to base before baking. Smooth the clay around the pin to secure it without bending the pin. Add black eye patches and a tiny 2mm nose from black clay, pressing lightly. Bake the assembled piece at 110 degrees C for 15 minutes per 6mm thickness, following package instructions. After cooling, sand any seams with fine grit paper and apply one thin gloss varnish layer for shine. Allow varnish to dry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.